Well, hello again. It's Russ Emanis with ODG Composites. Thanks for tuning in. I've been selling material for many, many years to the clients that I do consulting work with. We've shipped material all over the United States. I do also do the support for Integra Technologies, and I work with their client base globally. So I wanted to share with y'all the things that we have to offer at ODG Composites that I believe you might have some interest in and be able to incorporate into your current existing projects or projects you have coming in the near future. So let's get into it. Let's start with the Integra. Integra is a olefin-based product. It's very, very tough, very durable. It is good for impact resistance, energy dampening, things of that nature. It is available in 120 GSM, both white and in black. I use this material in a lot of different projects. It does bring an element of toughness to a project that is virtually unattainable with any other product. So if you're interested in Integra, please let us know. Give us a call or check us out on the website. We also have our thermoplastic material available. This material was designed specifically to be used in an oven situation where you do not need any type of resin system whatsoever. You literally lay this up and bag it and put it in the oven and cook it. The cook times are very, very short, and the temperatures for using this material are relatively low in terms of thermoplastic type materials. So if you have questions on this, please reach out to us again. Give us a call or check us out on the website. TechStream. TechStream is a material that I've used. A lot of you have seen on my airplane project in the past. This material is available also, so I'll be happy to work with y'all on the TechStream. This is 100 GSM, 100% carbon spread tow. It is available in carbon Integra or in 2 weights of this fabric. We also do quite a bit of business with our carbon fiber plain and twill weave materials. I have this available in 50-inch by 100-yard rolls. So if you're interested in some of this, please give us a shout, give us an opportunity to quote you. I think you'll be really impressed with the pricing we can get to you. The neat thing and the unique aspect of working with ODG Composites on your materials that we actually represent is that we minimize a lot of your costs because we can ship direct from a manufacturer to you with no middle stop. So it does help out, and we've got top quality. So with the thermoplastics, I wanted to show you kind of some of the things that you can do with it. As you can see, this is a thermoplastic part. We made it right here in the shop. This is 8 plies of the thermoplastic material I just showed you. It is a monolithic construction. It's very, very tough, very durable. It does not delaminate. It can conform to any shape that you might have. We use thermoplastics in conjunction with other type of thermoplastic materials to create stiffer and tougher type products for different applications. One of the things that I've been engaged with for many years is some of the anti-ballistic type applications where Integra and thermoplastic materials together yield phenomenal results on some of those types of applications. To give you an idea of the possibilities with carbon fiber and with some, say, anti-ballistic type application films, is that you can do some very, very pliable, very ductile type of products, both with the thermoplastics that we've created and with other fabrics and thermoplastic type films. So I want to get into the resins that we use. There's a myriad of different epoxy systems available on the market today. And what I've tried to do is find the companies that want to support the things that I'm interested in doing and the projects that I have to support doing the consulting work that I do. One of them, and probably my most favorite, is Premium Resin Tech. Premium Resin Tech manufactures a very fine line of epoxy systems, everything from wet layup and cure and bag to infusible systems, tooling systems, surface coats, casting systems, anything and everything in the spectrum of epoxies we can pretty much support you with through Premium Resin Tech and their systems. Their materials are available either in small kits, up to 5-gallon kits and drum kits. So if you're interested in looking at some of their systems and how they might help you and benefit you, please let us know. Give us a call or check us out on the website. There's so many different systems. I'd be happy to talk to you about them. And again, these systems will be direct shipped to you from the manufacturer, minimizing some of your cost. A lot of people have asked a whole bunch of questions about a lot of different projects I've done in the past. And one of the items that comes up all the time is spray tack. So on some processes that I use and some of the premium resins that I use, I actually use a longer open time mix in a sprayer like this as a spray tack. It's zero FOD, it blends into your parts. This does work, but you do have to be able to clean this up relatively quickly once you've finished with your layup. But if you have an open time of 30 to 45 minutes in small parts, things like that, this is an outstanding way to go. Otherwise, you might want to look at some other items that are available from other manufacturers specifically designed as spray tackifiers. Then I want to get into our Element Extreme, which we've touched on other videos when we were trying to show folks how it's worked out. The really neat thing is that so many people have contacted us about the Element Extreme. It seems to be giving everybody the solution they've looked for years. I certainly have worked towards this type of solution for at least 8 years. Element Extreme is a 1-to-1 system. It's very easy to spray. It sprays like any other thin type of coating. There's a few little differences and caveats that you need to be aware of when you're spraying it. But if you can spray other thin products into a tool, you'll have no problem whatsoever spraying Element Extreme. It is available in almost every color on the rainbow and in the spectrum. We like to sell pretty much the clear, the black, the white, the red, the yellows, things like that. It is available in gallon containers and 5-gallon containers. So if you're interested in more information about Element Extreme, please give us a call here at ODG Composites, or again, check us out on the website. It is up, but it is still in construction, so bear with us on that. And also, I wanted to share with you guys that I have some infusion videos coming up that I think you'll be interested in watching. We're going to go through every step of what it takes to do an infusion, and some of the things that I do might be a little different from other things you've seen, but they work very well for me. I do have other materials available in fabrics like different aramids. I've got hybrid fabrics. So if you're interested in any type of fabric, please give us a shot, and we'll try to quote you at a price that really is exciting for you. Also, ODG Composites, we do have a small manufacturing facility here. We have 6,500 square feet of manufacturing space. We do open layups, wet layup and bag, infusion, and some pre-preg work. I'll also be doing another video shortly updating everybody on Odyssey, the airplane project. A lot of folks have been following that for a long, long time. If you're unfamiliar with that, go to ACI, Advanced Composite Infusion, Facebook page. There's a wealth of information there. I think you'll all enjoy that. We also have a very fun small kayak about to come out, and it's a 10-foot fishing kayak, so obviously we'll be manufacturing those here, and we'll be manufacturing them with the materials that we've discussed and I've shown you here today. And lastly, I've had a lot of requests for some open type forums for conversations where guys can ask questions and we can actually interact. So I'm trying to set up a time and a date for some Zoom meetings. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and go to either my Facebook page, Russ Emanis, or to the ACI, Advanced Composite Infusion Facebook page, and watch for that schedule of that meeting. I'm so proud to be able to bring all this stuff to you, and we're very, very proud of ODG Composites, and I look forward to working with each and every one of you very soon. All the best, y'all. Take care.